Hi, my name is Ralf Kaltenmeier, and I'm working here in service support as a controlling and data engineer, supporting with the data from the field our Q department with all details what's needed to countermeasure at the end our problems. This was a great journey at the end, started more or less 43 years ago with young people, 15 years old. I got education for 3.5 years and precision engineering, and from this time on I went through all different departments here in the company, and at the end I joined the service group. I have had the chance to see at the end all what we do here in the company. DBS is our tool, our organization format. What we have means the Danaher Business System is a kind of structured working in all different areas, and there's a big tool set what could be used in, I would say, every situation. Of course, especially with the support of DBS, what I also used all the time in Kaizens, etc. I see the chances here to do the work with a complete different mindset, means more from a customer point of view and not only from a production point of view. This was a kind of passion for me to work in this environment and support at the end products which help to improve the life against cancer. Meanwhile, and this is based on my experience, that the impact is from customer data, means the real problems behind, to transfer this information in the company and come into countermeasures and connect at the end all data. Help to find also software solution to provide at the end not only instruments, also software with KI, etc. And this is at the end summarizing to improve the life at the end and help to provide cancer and support the diagnosis.